Hey designers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the art of logo design with Canva. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tutorials and design inspiration. Logos are the face of a brand, and creating a memorable and effective logo is essential. So let's get started and master the art of logo design with Canva. A logo is a visual representation of a brand's identity. It's what people remember and recognize. Understanding its significance is crucial for diving into the design process. The creative process often starts with pen and paper. Sketching allows you to explore different concepts and quickly iterate your designs. Canva's Logo Maker is a fantastic tool to create professional logos quickly. It offers a variety of templates and customization options to bring your vision to life. Add depth and meaning to a logo. Choose visuals that resonate with your brand's essence and values. The right font can evoke emotions and enhance your logo's impact. Experiment with different fonts to find the one that complements your brand's personality. Simplicity is key. Ensure your logo is clean and scalable. Make it versatile for various applications. Colors have a powerful effect on perception. Understand color psychology and use it to evoke specific emotions and associations. Seek feedback from colleagues or friends to gain different perspectives. Constructive criticism can help refine your design. Congrats, you've learned the essentials of logo design with Canva. Remember, a great logo is a combination of creativity, research, and understanding your brand's essence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other designers. And don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tutorials and design inspiration. Keep designing, keep creative, and let your logos tell powerful stories for your clients. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.